What type of run this is the aerodynamics of a banana. So we have the flow going from in the page to out of the page, and we have this plane going through the banana, going from 0 to 33 meters per second. And as we play, you can see how the wake is evolving. So over the banana, you have an increase in velocity as the flow accelerates. Then very close to the banana, you get this wake, and then you get a very banana-y shaped wake as you'd expect. It dies out fairly quickly. It becomes fairly circular. It loses its shape quite quickly. Here we have the streamlines going from upstream on the left to downstream on the right, with the velocity magnitude coloring it. And then the banana has its pressure distribution. And the streamlines are fairly well behaved. Like there aren't too many vortices coming off or not too much roll up. There's a little bit here, but most of them stay fairly straight. All right, so make sure to like and subscribe this. Check out everything we do at Aerodynamics. Check out the instrumentation we do. Check out the conference we put on. Check out the courses we make as well. We have CFD, theoretical, and experimental. So check all them out. Peace out.